Our 12th episode is all about a girl who dreams of becoming a beauty queen. Her name is Chelsea. She is single, gorgeous, slim, and friendly. She works as a talent acquisition specialist in a leasing and outsourcing company. She always participated in beauty contests in their town. Most of the time she wins the contest but is only the second or third runner-up. She's a bit upset because she wants to win the title and become a real beauty queen even in their town. So, she tries to research online how to become a beauty queen. She watched videos, tutorials, and some advice from her friends, but nothing works. She believed that she could win the title, but she realized that something was missing. So, she temporarily stopped participating in beauty pageants and focused on work, exercising, and making herself look more beautiful. Robin is single, good-looking, kind, and he works as a data engineer in an IT company. He has a big crush on Chelsea, but she ignores him. One day Robin heard the news about Chelsea that she is upset because of not getting the beauty queen title in their town. So, he has an idea and he asks his mother if she knows someone that is a former beauty queen title holder. Her mother responds to him by saying, "Yes, my close friend in college, her name is Divine, and a former beauty queen in their place." Her mom asked him, "Why are you asking me about that?" And he replies, "Because I want to help my crush Chelsea to win the beauty queen title. I want your friend to be able to please give advice to Chelsea so she can win the contest." Her mom replies, "Okay, I will call her and let you know." After the call, her mom's friend agreed that she can help Chelsea to give advice for the contest. Robin messaged Chelsea, "Is it okay for you to go to my mom's friend who is a former beauty queen title holder to give you the advice to help you win the contest?" Chelsea agreed and they went to the house of Divine the next day. After Divine gave advice to Chelsea on what to do, she decided to join the contest again, but this time she finally won the title. After that, Chelsea started paying attention to Robin, so they became close friends and eventually became a couple.